Please join me here, Binibini 8, Fresh in Pink. I love those flowers. How I wish I could wear that gown. Can you pick your hashtag? And you pick hashtag another perennial problem, hashtag climate change.
As a seafarer, I've witnessed how climate change affects the ocean. It affects how the ocean rises, stronger storms, and very high conditions of the oceans. And I believe that the ocean connects us all, and protecting it means protecting our future. Climate change is a contentious topic and a challenge that we all face right now, where many scientists have been protesting, rallying, wanting to be heard, to warn us that this climate change is not a joke. And I'm standing here not just a seafarer, a woman, or a student, but a human living in this planet. And I want to share this school to influence other people that we should nurture nature. We must nurture nature to secure a better and greener future, because at the end of the day, nature can live without people, but people can't live without nature. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Binibini 8.